Hello and welcome back to the one more tutorial of Drytis series, and today we will see how does the timer work. Okay, so let's move to the support dashboard. Okay, I have already click on accept tab. Okay, let's select it. For example, I have accepted this task. Okay, now I had to work on this. It may be the complete project or a task. Okay, so for example, I had to work on this. So before clicking on live code access, that means which takes us to the support, sorry, studio. I have to click on this start timer. Okay, right now it's showing resume because I have already worked on it. Now the timer has started. Now I will click on live code access. That means the project studio. Okay, so here I can see I was already working on this. So what I will do, I'll work over here and put the prompts. It's gonna work okay as it is. So meanwhile, for example, I need to take some break. So what I will do, I will finish over here and come back to this page and click on stop timer. Okay. And after that, if after half an hour or an hour, so you want to work again on the same project, you will click on live code access again, and it will take you to the dashboard. Okay. So you had to maintain this. What happens sometimes if you are not working over here, but the timer is already working, that means the timer is already on. So what will happen, that time will be counted as idle time. Okay, that won't be counted because every project you are working on, every task you are working on is monitored by the backend team. Okay, so they will figure out that idle time, and that time won't be counted for the billable hours. Okay, that for the earning. So you have to make sure that once you're working, once you start working on the project, and that's the time when you have to click on start timer. Okay, and once you're done with the project and you have cleared this and you have shared the preview link with the client and he has accepted this, that means he wants this to be submitted. What you will do, come here and it will be timer will be on. You have to click on stop timer, and after that what you can do, you can simply click on submit for approval and your project will be submitted for approval. Okay, after that you can see your approval, this project for approval in the awaiting approval tab. Okay, right now I don't have anything under approval. That's why it's not showing me over here anything. Once the project is approved, it will be shown in the completed tab. Okay, as you can see, I have multiple projects over here that I have worked on, and it's showing me the ratings as well, which I'm complete, and it's showing me a timer as well, the time I have worked for the project. For example, sometimes what happens, not every project is approved by the client. Sometimes they need more clarification, or they need more updates in the project. What they will do, they will revert the project, and the reverted project will again be shown under the accepted tab. But at that time, it will show here submit again, and it will show you the revision. Okay, and in the revision the client or the user will mention what he further needs to update in his project. Okay, this is how the timer works. So we have to maintain this timer in order to reduce the idle time. Okay, that's why we have to maintain this timer, rather it's going to affect our earning and billable hours. So this was another short tutorial. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for your time.